customization. Here, you can change the look of your loyalty widget, including colors and fonts. There are some pre-made templates you can use. Or you can go fully custom for a more branded look. As you make changes, the live preview on the right updates in real time, so you can see exactly what the login screen will look like for your users before going live. Once you're done with the changes, click Save or discard changes to roll back to the default UI customization settings. Once you achieve the style you're going for, you're ready to move to the next step.